Hello everyone, welcome back to Creo Parametric. I am Rakesh VALASA. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to draw the given 2D sketch in Creo Parametric software. First, you need to open new sketch. In that, you have to choose sketch, then click on OK. Now the sketch file is opened and also sketch related tools are enabled. Once carefully observe the given 2D sketch. Here, three circles are there. The small circle diameter is 50. The construction circle diameter is 68 and this major circle diameter is 85. First, we need to construct these three circles by using circle tool. With the help of mouse left button, you can choose this center and point circle. Now specify one point on this screen. With the help of mouse left button, just click here and move the cursor away to the center. Similarly, you can construct the remaining two circles, second and third. Now exit from this tool, just click mouse middle button. Now you can edit the dimension. These dimensions are called weak dimensions, so you can change the dimension to actual dimension. First, I'm going to give this one. This dimension is 85 mm diameter. Just double click on this dimension, change the value 85, enter. Next one, second diameter. Second diameter is 68. Double click on this dimension and enter 68, enter. Next, third one is this one. This diameter is 50. Double click on this dimension, type here 50, enter. Okay, you know that the middle one is construction circle. Now select this circle. With the help of mouse left button, it's showing few options. Among these, you can choose third one, that is construction, or you can use Shift G shortcut key. Now that circle is converted into construction circle. Okay, after this you need to construct these 6 circles. 2 circles are on vertical line, remaining are placed at 60 degrees in between any 2 circles. So that's why I am going to take center line or construction line. Just draw the one vertical center line. Next one is, you know that the angle between any two center lines, that is 60 degrees, because total 6 circles are there. We know that total angle is 360 degrees by 6, so angle between any two circles, that is 60 degrees. Okay, from this point draw the 60 degrees line on both sides. Now click mouse middle button to escape from that icon. Now edit this angle, double click on this dimension, you can give here 60, enter. In the left side also you can give the angle 60. Okay, after this, first you need to construct one circle with the help of circle tool. So I am going to construct small circle here. Exit from that circle by using mouse middle button and you can give the dimension. You can see here here 6 circles are there. Each circle diameter is 8 mm. So double click on this one, you can give the dimension 8, enter. Okay, after this you need to construct the remaining 5 circles. So with the help of mouse left button, you can select this center and point circle. Just move the cursor to the second axis. Locate the center point, move the cursor. When it's showing constant equal, then click mouse left button. Similarly, you can draw the circles similar manner. Locate the center and move the cursor. When it's showing equal symbol, just click mouse left button. Next fourth one, center and equal symbol. Next fifth circle, center, equal symbol. sixth one center and equal symbol. This is the way to construct similar type of circles, that means same radius circles in Creo Parametric software. Now exit from this circle, just click mouse middle button. Okay, after this you need to construct these bottom three circles. Okay, you can move the sketch. Here this construction circle radius is 70 and this outside circle curvature radius is 91. So that's why I am selecting the circle tool. From the same center point, draw the two circles, first one and second one. Next, give the dimension. Here this construction circle diameter is showing 114. You can change that value 114 to 70 into 2, that means 140. Enter. After this you can also change the outside major circle dimension, that is 91 into 2 182. Double click on this dimension, enter the value 182, enter. Okay, you know that this is the construction circle, that is 70 radius. So select that circle just with the help of mouse left button. It's showing that a few options, among that you can select construction. Okay, after this next you need to locate these remaining two circle center points. These two axes, the include angle between this vertical center line and this inclined center line, that angle is 45 degrees. So take center line, from same center point draw the 45 degrees line, 1 and 2. Now click mouse middle button. You can give the value, you can give the angle, you can see it. Otherwise you can, with the help of dimension, select this center line and vertical center line. You can click here, this is the 45 degrees, enter. Next you can also give the angle to right side, center line and this line. Now click mouse middle button here, that is also 45 degrees, enter. After this you need to construct left side two circles and right side two circles. Take the circle tool, you can locate a center here. This small circle diameter is 22. Now click here and also draw the second circle. Yes. Now click mouse middle button. This circle diameter is 22. To enter. Okay, after this you can also draw this curve. This curve radius is 8 mm. For that curve I am using this option, that is circular fillet. Now click on this arrow mark, choose the second one, circular trim. Okay, select this circle, first one and second one. Yes, this radius is just change this dimension, double click on this dimension. This radius is 8 mm, 8, enter. Okay, after this you need to remove the unwanted lines. So with the help of this delete segment, you can delete these lines. You can also delete this one, delete all unwanted lines. You can also delete this one. After this you need to apply the mirror to other side. So exit from this tool, select this circle and this curve, and also select this curve. then apply the mirror tool with respect to this vertical line. You can see here one more circle is there, just that is similar like just select this circle with the help of the center point, draw that circle. Just move the cursor. You can see here when the constraint symbol is showing that equal symbol, the other circles are also showing the green color, so both circle radius are equal. Now click mouse middle button. You can also trim this unwanted line here. Okay, this is the final sketch. You can also see the different views. You can also see the view. Go to the view, and you can also turn off this dimension. You can also turn off these constraints. See it. Okay, this is the way to construct any type of 2D sketch in Creo Parametric very easily. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.